In middle school, I was known for wearing heavy makeup. I caked on my foundation and drew my eyebrows really thick. Sometimes my classmates made comments or whispered about me, but I tried really hard not to let it bother me. Towards the end of my 8th grade year, a couple of boys in my class made a fake Instagram account and wrote mean and hurtful comments on all my posts. Their comments kept popping up over and over and over, and I couldn't delete them. I took some time to pause and reflect. I thought about my feelings. I was worried people would read the comments and believe them. I didn't want people to stop liking me or being my friend, but I wanted to be true to myself. I reached out to people who knew me and loved me for who I was, not what type of makeup I wore. What I learned is that if it makes me happy and I'm not hurting anyone, then why should I care what other people think or say? Today, I sometimes have to work hard to be confident in myself. I choose to focus on my own words rather than the words of others. My own opinion of myself is the most important. I am the only one who determines my self-worth. No one else can tell me who I am.